Okay. Exercise 4 algebra 2 page number 165. Change in the subject of a formula. Okay. Make x as the subject. Okay. Okay, here few things I want to say. If they will give you like this question, like in bracket something is there and something is there outside of bracket, first you will solve this, then you will go for this, means change in the position from this side to the, then you go for plus minus. If three step is there, okay, now you will not get, now you will get easy question, okay, but in exercise 5 you will get like see, suppose this question, which step you will do, you will do plus, first you will do plus minus, you will take this to other side, which one you will do this side, because this come above this, then only come plus minus. Okay. One more question is there. Yes, this one. Which step you will do? First you will take this to other side, or you will do this one, multiply one. First you will do multiply one, because this is in second, this is in first place, so you will do first this one. So first is this, second is this, third is this. Okay, if three steps are there. Okay, first you will guess easy, maybe only this step, maybe only this step, maybe only this step. Okay, you know very well, if you take this multiply to this side, it will be divide. If you take divide to this side, it will be multiply. Okay, and plus, if you take this to other side, it will be minus. If you take this to other side, it will be plus, you know that. Okay, this one, the question is, now you have to make x the subject. What? X the subject. The question is 2x equal to 5. Now you have to make x as a subject. As I told you, like if something is multiplied, if you take this to other side, it will be divide. So 2 is multiplied with x, so you have to make x separate. So if you have to take this 2 to other side, so if you take this to other side, it will be divide. What it will be? It will be divide. Okay, and come to now this one, you have to make x separate. Here x is multiplied with, c is multiplied with x. Okay, easy. You take this to other side, it will be divided by this. This is also easy. You have to make x subject and l is multiplied with this. If you take this to other side, it will be divide. Okay, now come to this x, you have to make subject. Okay, here x plus d square, so you have to take this to other side, not x to other side. Okay, x you will keep in that position. Okay, x means if if I have to go, means what do you say, x will be in its home. X will, what I mean to say, x will never move from its home. Okay, if something other thing is there with x, it will only go, x will never go from its position. Okay, because here x is the subject, that's why. So now it is x plus d square. So if it is plus d square, if it will go to other side, it will be minus d square. Okay, now you may ask question, why it is not minus? Because here it is, l is multiply with x, c is multiply with x, 2 is multiply with x. Here d square is plus x, x is x plus d square. Okay, that's why. Now whatever is this, you have to make x as a subject. To x minus r, to minus r, you have to take this to other side, it will be plus r. Okay, come to this now. Okay, this is also very easy. You have to make y subject. Now y, what? Y. This is question number 14, exercise 4. Yeah, so see, ry minus l, same. Now you have to make y as a subject. Okay, what you will do first, okay, See this question. Now you have to do here two step, plus or divide. Okay, like here you did only one step, just divide and this. Now here you have to do two step. I told you in one question there can be one step or two step or three step. Okay, so here see, r multiplied by y minus l. We have to make y as a subject to make circle y. Okay, so the first step is, first you take this to other side. First you take this to other side. If it is it's minus l, right? If it go to other side, it will be plus l. So now what is left? R multiplied by y. Now you have to make y as a subject. Now it is multiply, so if it will go to other side, it will be divide. Okay, now come to this question. Here are two steps. See, to make whatever is there, you have to factorize, you have to multiply a with both. Okay, you have to also plus minus. If it is plus, if you take to other side, it will be minus, right? Okay, two step is there, but which step you will do first? Here first, if there is two step, first you will do this step, right? Multiply, then you will take this to other side, then you will do plus minus. Yes, I think so. Two step is there. Okay, let's do it. Why it is wrong? Because I think so what I did, yes, first I took this a to other side, but that's why it was wrong. I did not multiply this with this, that's why. Okay, I multiply a multiplied by y, a multiplied by b, ay plus ab, right, is equal to c. Now which step you will do? Then now you have to make y subject. Okay, you have to make y subject, so take this to other side, minus ab, then you will come to multiply. So a multiplied by, if you take a to other side, it will be divide, right? Now y is separated. Okay, again I am saying, first you will whatever inside the bracket, you will multiply with that. So what is meant by this is, like, you have to multiply a with y, then a with b, right? Like factorizing you did in the previous chapter. Okay, now you got ay plus ab equal to c. So plus ab you have to take to other side, it will be minus ab. Now what is there? A multiplied by y is left. So if you take, to make y separate, if you take a to other side, it will be divided. Okay, same for this. I did the same mistake like before. I did not multiply this, I did not solve this. Okay, so what you have to do is, first you have to multiply whatever is inside the bracket. So s multiplied by y, s multiplied by 1 is only s, right? S multiplied by 1 is s. Okay, b multiplied by 1 is b only. Okay, after that what you have to do, if plus or minus thing is there, you have to do that. Okay, so we have to make y subject, right? So it is sy plus x, so we have to take these to other side, so it will be minus s. Okay, now what is left? Sy. So s is multiplied with y. If you take y to other side, it will be divided. S to other side, it will be divided. So now y is separated. Okay, here you can add another step, like this one, like this. You can add z minus s. Okay, no, sorry, z minus s equal to sy, right? This step means you took this to other side. Now these two are left. Okay, now you have to make y subject, right? Y separate, so s is multiplied with y, so if you take to s to other side, it will be divide. Okay, for this also you can write second step. Now ay is equal to C minus AB, right? First, second, third, fourth step, right? Now to separate this a multiplied by y, you have to take to a to other side, it will be divide, because it's multiply. If you take to other side, it will be divide. Okay.